Zero-based budgeting is a simple yet powerful method for managing your money. It's about giving every dollar a job. You start from zero each month. You allocate all your income to expenses, savings, and debt payments. No dollar is left unaccounted for. This approach gives you complete control over your finances. Zero-based budgeting is not about restriction. It's about intentionality. You decide where your money goes. This method helps you reach your financial goals faster. It also reduces financial stress and promotes financial peace. Traditional budgeting often involves looking at past spending. You review your previous expenses and try to make sense of where your money went. You then try to reduce expenses in certain categories, hoping to save more for the future. This method can be helpful in understanding your spending habits and making adjustments. However, it doesn't always provide a complete picture of your finances. It can leave you feeling uncertain and overwhelmed. Zero-based budgeting, on the other hand, starts fresh each month. Instead of relying on past data, you begin with a clean slate. You analyze your income and expenses based on your current situation, making it more relevant and accurate. This makes it easier to identify areas where you can save, as you are more aware of your current financial standing. It also ensures that your spending aligns with your priorities. Zero-based budgeting is proactive, allowing you to plan ahead. Traditional budgeting can be reactive, often leading to unexpected financial surprises. By planning for every dollar, you gain a sense of control over your finances, knowing exactly where your money is going. This is essential for achieving your financial goals, helping you reach milestones and feel satisfied with your financial success. Creating a zero-based budget is straightforward. Follow these simple steps to take control of your finances and ensure every dollar has a purpose. First, list your income. Start by calculating your total monthly income. This includes your salary, wages, and any other sources of income you might have. Be sure to include all sources, such as freelance work, side gigs, or any passive income streams. Next, identify your expenses. List all your monthly expenses in detail. Be comprehensive. Include everything from housing and utilities to groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Don't forget about smaller expenses like subscriptions and dining out. Then, allocate every dollar. Assign a specific amount of money to each expense category, ensuring that no dollar is left unaccounted for. Ensure that your total expenses equal your total income. This balance is crucial for maintaining financial stability. Finally, adjust as needed. Review your budget regularly to make sure it reflects your current financial situation. Make adjustments as needed based on your changing financial situation. Life is dynamic, and your budget should be too. By following these steps, you create a clear roadmap for your money, giving you a sense of control and direction. This empowers you to make informed financial decisions, helping you achieve your financial goals and build a secure future. Section 4. Unlock the power of zero-based budgeting. Benefits you'll love. Zero-based budgeting offers numerous benefits. Increased awareness. It provides a clear understanding of your income and expenses. You become more conscious of your spending habits. Goal prioritization. It helps you align your spending with your financial goals. You can allocate more money towards what matters most. Flexibility. It allows you to adjust your budget as your income or expenses change. This ensures that your budget remains relevant. Zero-based budgeting is a powerful tool. It empowers you to take control of your finances. It helps you achieve your financial dreams. Section 5. Zero-based budgeting tips for lasting success. Here are some practical tips for successful zero-based budgeting that can help you achieve lasting financial success. Track your spending. Monitor your expenses regularly. Use tools like mobile apps or spreadsheets to keep a close eye on where your money is going. Ensure that you are staying within your budget limits. Compare your actual spending to your budgeted amounts frequently. Review your budget regularly. Review your budget at least monthly. This helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Make adjustments as needed based on your current financial situation. Life changes, and so should your budget. Stay committed. Consistency is key. Stick to your budget as much as possible to reap its full benefits. Stick to your budget as much as possible to reap its full benefits. This will help you achieve your financial goals faster. Save for unexpected expenses. Create an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. This is crucial for financial stability. This prevents you from derailing your budget. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion. By following these tips, you can make zero-based budgeting a sustainable part of your financial life. It will help you achieve long-term financial stability and peace of mind. Section 6. Embrace the Zero-Based Budgeting Challenge. Zero-based budgeting may seem challenging at first, but the rewards are worth it. It's about taking control of your money. It's about achieving your financial goals. Don't be afraid to start small. Begin by budgeting for a month. See the difference it makes in your financial well-being. You'll be surprised by the positive impact it has. Zero-based budgeting is a journey. It's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about building a secure financial future. Section 7. Take control of your money today. Zero-based budgeting is a powerful tool. It empowers you to achieve financial freedom. It's about giving every dollar a job. It's about making your money work for you. Take the first step today. Create your zero-based budget. Experience the transformative power of this simple yet effective method. You have the power to change your financial future.